Number 1.
Okay, all of you have written question number 4, the answer of question number 4.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm right. Ma'am, please tell question number E and number 1. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All of you have written answer 4.
Yes, ma'am.
No, there must be students who have not written.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot write because ma'am, I am not present.
What you have not done?
Question answer in brief.
So what do you want?
Ma'am, answers.
So Divyanshu, where were you in the last class, beta? Where were you?
Ma'am, I'm going for COVID test.
Oh, you got your COVID test done.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Did you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the report? You're negative?
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations. So Divyanshu, was it a painful one? The test was painful?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Did they insert something in your nose?
Yes, ma'am.
My God.
Good morning, ma'am.
So you didn't feel any pain?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Very good. Congratulations. Now, question number 4. Everyone has written the answer of question number 4. Children, if you are still writing the answer, it's okay. You can let me know. I will wait.
Ma'am, I am writing answer for. Ma'am, I am also writing.
Okay, beta. Right.
Ma'am, please write answer number E part, answer number 1 in the chat box.
That's a long answer. That is a very long answer. What is the question? First, we'll discuss it.
What are the source of air pollution?
Yes. So what are the sources? Where do we get,
Let
from
me
where
find
all
the
do we
answer.
get air pollution? First, let's discuss it.
Ma'am, I got it.
No, we are first discussing. Before writing the answer, you don't have to copy down the answer, children. From where do we get air pollution? Let's just discuss it on a very general basis.
I'm from factories.
Ma'am, from factories.
From factories.
From power plants.
Ma'am, from factories.
Power plants, oil.
I'm from factories.
And
Ma'am, sometimes the people from cars, buses, trains,
manufacturing
industries.
very good.
I'm the burning of something. I'm from car,
Yes,
buses, and
the
trains.
burning of garbage. Yes, the burning of garbage just outside our houses. We are the creators of that kind of pollution. Then the smoke that is emitted or released from buses, trucks, cars. That is also one cause of air pollution. Any other?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, of E part, answer these question in detail. We have written any of the question right now.
Sorry, I didn't get. No,
Ma'am,
E part
asking
we have
that.
not done any question. E
Okay,
part,
ma'am.
we
I
are
have
discussing
disconnected.
question
That's
number
why I'm
1.
asking.
So now I'm typing the answer in the chat box, children. Begin the answer from the sources of air pollution are.
So you're sending in chat box?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
The sources of air pollution are number 1.
What are the sources of air pollution?
Number 1. The smoke.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so how many plays should I leave?
Better you start long answers first and then later you can do short answers. Okay, don't leave any
Okay, ma'am.
page. The sources of air pollution are the smoke and harmful gases that are released from cars, buses, and trucks. Then point number 2.
Ma'am, how many points will be there?
4.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write it in points.
Yes.
The sources of air pollution are air pollution.
Ma'am, this is first point.
Yes. First point and second point also I have sent.
And harmful and harm gases released released from car, buses, and trucks. From car, cars, buses, and trucks. Total, how many points are there in this answer?
Beta 4 points.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the second point, what is the first word? I cannot pronounce. Poisonous.
Poisonous gases that are released from factories, oil refineries, power plants, and industries. The third point is the burning of wood, coal, kerosene, and garbage. Also, please correct the spelling of garbage, children. Also releases a lot of smoke, dust, carbon dioxide into the air. Then the fourth point.
Cleaning of forest declares the amount of oxygen in the air. This results in changes in process. Also, ma'am, there is a yellow box of figure out, and the question is, what is acid rain?
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, in the page number 127, there is a yellow box
Yes,
which
yes.
is figure out. So,
Okay.
ma'am, what is acid rain?
Beta, acid rain is see when these poisonous gases are released into the air. Okay. All this pollution and all, it is in the atmosphere, and when it rains for the first time, so it brings down a lot of pollution with it, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So I think that is acid rain.
Okay, ma'am. And one near and one just besides figure out there is written Factpedia
Hmm.
where fume is written fumes and dust is written. So, ma'am, what is the meaning of fumes?
Fumes is beta धुआं. Fume is what? धुआं, like smoke only.
Okay, ma'am. Gases that are released. Release, release, released from factories. Ma'am, which one is the third part?
Third part I have not mentioned, beta, the burning of wood. This is point number 3. I forgot
Okay,
to
ma'am.
put the number.
Okay, ma'am. Of wood. All factories, all FIN, RIE. A lot of smoke, power plant and industry. Power plant, power plant and industry. Industry. Ma'am, I'm in the third point.
Okay, good.
The burning of wood, oil into the air. Ma'am, it is a long question. Ma'am, it is so
Yes,
big.
it is a long answer.
Yes, ma'am. And that's why I write the question before only. Mama, I have done. Kerosene. Kerosene. Kerosene and garbage. Ma'am, garbage spelling you have written
Yes,
after
beta,
B.
please. I did not. I have mistakenly written E.
Yes, ma'am. Also. Also release a lot of smoke. Also release. Release a lot of smoke.
Ma'am, done.
Write down the next question.
Ma'am, writing. Ma'am, second answer is longer
Ma'am,
than the
can
first
I?
answer.
No, it is very short.
Hmm?
Ma'am, can I write?
Yes, beta, write down the next question. Everybody has written this answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have not written.
Yes, there are students who are still writing. Write it down.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. Read out the next question.
Name 5 ways in which we can prevent and check air pollution.
So how can air pollution be checked or controlled? Are there any ways by which we can have a control on air pollution? We can reduce it. Do you have any ideas in your mind how it can be done?
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell one?
Yes, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it can be done by using less vehicles
Yes,
and ma'am using less plastics.
very good.
Carpooling.
Very nice. By doing carpooling, very good. And
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 ma'am,
ma'am,
we should make our factories out of the cities, not in our city,
yes,
or we should make the smoker chan of the factories in the sky so that it doesn't come out in our cities.
very nice. The factories and these can be made at far places. Like they can be
and ma'am, not burning
made
of
away
wood,
from
coal and
residential
kerosene.
areas. Yes, we should not
And
burn.
ma'am,
Yes,
we should
and
not burn many more things.
very
Not
nice.
not the burning of wood, coal, kerosene and garbage.
Very good. Begin your answer. The 5 ways by which air pollution can be checked. The 5 ways by which air pollution can be checked are everyone has written this much?
Yes, ma'am.
5 ways in which air pollution can be checked are: first, I have sent 3 ways. I'm typing 2 more ways. Planting more and more trees. Diesel and petrol cars can be replaced by using CNG cars. Carpooling can be started. Then
When the spelling of carpooling, in pulling we have made O instead of
so
I.
now you will make it I. Okay.
Ma'am, why you have given this much of space?
Where have I given any space? Okay, these 3 dots. So that children don't get confused in answer 1 and answer 2.
No, ma'am, not dots. I mean answer number 2.
Beta, that is a point now. Point wise, it has not come in a new line, it has gone there. Recycling and reusing also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the answer is in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have taken the screenshot of it.
Write it now. Keep writing it.
Yes, ma'am. Dust, carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, I am on last point.
Okay.
Ma'am, because when you have sent point 1, 2, 3, then I have only started writing. And then the statement, the 5 ways by which air pollution can be checked, this line I have already written.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Write down the next question.
Ma'am, writing. Ma'am, question 3 is, how do water bodies get polluted?
This period is supposed to get over at what time?
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, 1 o'clock. Ma'am, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Okay, beta.
So, ma'am, there is so much time.
Yes, there is a lot of time left.
I'm 15. Water bodies. Water pollution occurs when pollutants are released into water bodies such as get polluted when pollutants are released. Bodies.
Everyone has written?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am writing last point.
Okay, today I want to see Mehul's work and Garv Agarwal's work. After the class will get over, Mehul and Garv, you are going to send your work on the class group. Okay? Everybody put your cameras on. Open your cameras, hurry up. Akshat Sahu, are you writing? Akshat Sahu, are you
What,
writing
ma'am?
the answers? Are you writing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about Mehul and Garv? Mehul and Garv, are you writing your answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Mehul, I want you to send the work after the class gets over.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and Garv Agarwal, what about you? Why are you not replying? Everybody open your cameras. Mohammad Imad, Bhavishya Gaur, Devyanshu Dev.
Ma'am, we are writing from the chat
Chat
box,
box.
so
Okay.
that's why
All
our
right.
videos are.
Ma'am, written the answer.
Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Mehul and Garv, can we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the next question?
Ma'am, how do water bodies get
How
polluted?
do how do water get polluted?
Okay,
Ma'am, water body.
how do water bodies get polluted? So tell me, how do they get
Ma'am,
polluted?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I know.
tell.
Ma'am, by throwing the garbage into the water.
Very nice. First, by throwing garbage into the water.
And
Next,
ma'am, the factory waste the factory waste go to the water only.
yes. Then what else?
Ma'am, sewage wasted material from fertilizers, oil spills, or even garbage.
Yes, the sewage from homes also goes directly. The sewage is released into these water bodies. That is also one cause. Then
But
we
ma'am,
have
I am not seeing the I'm
yes.
not telling from the book.
Okay, yes, you're not telling from the book. Very nice. And also, this thing, the fertilizers and chemicals that are sprayed in the soil. So that also ultimately goes into the water bodies. And what else?
And ma'am, the pollution dust also go into the water.
Okay, now I'm going to type the answer in the chat box. Get ready for it. How do water bodies get polluted?
And this answer also we have to write in points.
No, beta. Answer number 3.
Ma'am, in paragraph.
Yes, the water bodies get polluted. The water bodies get polluted by many human activities like washing of clothes and animals in washing of clothes and animals in them.
Ma'am, we can write
Releasing,
water also.
yes, the water bodies get polluted by human activities like washing clothes and animals in them, releasing sewage and factory waste directly into the water bodies.
And the class is going to be over in
Yes,
8 minutes.
fertilizers and chemicals also seep through the soil into the ground water.
Ma'am, that you have said releasing sludge and factory, so ma'am, we have to write it from next line or from the same.
Better you can write it from the next line or you can also write it from the same. The water bodies get polluted by many human activities like washing of clothes and animals in them, releasing sewage and factory wastes directly into the water bodies. Fertilizers
Ma'am,
and
only this.
chemicals also seep through the soil into the groundwater, making it polluted. And the most important and the
Ma'am,
most
only this much.
one more point.
Okay, ma'am.
And most importantly,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, water bodies get
Ma'am, can we write in
polluted
paragraph?
by, yes, throwing waste and garbage into it. Okay, the whole
Ma'am, I got
answer
it.
is in the chat box. Again, my spelling of garbage.
Ma'am, again E.
Now I have sent the correct one.
Ma'am, it is again E only after B.
But after that, the last word C of the answer, I have made the correction.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the spelling of activities I have written is, ma'am, by mistake I have written ACTIVITIVES.
Hmm.
And ma'am, then I thought that this spelling is too long. Activities.
Ma'am, when I am opening chat box, my video is off automatically.
Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am, I also. But ma'am, minor.
Sewage. Ma'am, what is the meaning of sewage?
Beta, sewage is the dirt that goes out of our houses.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, like gutter.
Yes, right.
And factory. Factory wastes directly into the water body. Directly into the water bodies. Fertilizers. Ma'am, can you tell the meaning of fertilizers?
Beta, fertilizers are also chemicals that are sprayed into the soil.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have written that fertilizer and chemical also seep through the.
Seep
Ma'am, you
through,
have.
yes. See, beta, chemicals can be in the form of pesticides also. Pesticides are also called what? They are also chemicals, and
Chemicals.
fertilizers are also chemicals. So either you can write pesticides and fertilizers. That is also correct.
Ma'am, you have written together through the. So, ma'am, we also write together through the.
No, beta. Why will you write through the like this? Children, the class is about to get over in a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody take a screenshot of this answer.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
already
I have
taken.
done it. Ma'am, I have done the answer.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
Bye,
Have a
ma'am.
great day.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a great day, ma'am. Bye.
Same to you, beta. Same to you.